let's do our Tengadeng! Tagadagada! Ready na ba kayo? Ready na ba? Ano na ba? Pumuti na ba ang kilikili ko? May nag-improve na ba to? Hello Magsies! Welcome to BeautyMagz channel. If you're new, my name is Roche. Welcome. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you will be updated every time I make a new video. So anyway, in today's video, as what the title of this video is, what's an update? It's almost 2 months, I believe. I started using these two products last February 5th. For the first 2 weeks, I've been using it almost every day. And on the third week, I have been lagging about it because I was traveling. There was kind of, not really laziness, but because you are on a rush. So, and then at the end of the day, I get so tired. There are times that I will not be able to use it. On the third week, I've been using it for probably 3 times a week, once a day. And then on the fourth week, same thing. And from the time on up to this day, today is March 28th. I don't know if you can see, but today is March 28th. It's almost 2 months. And your question is, how's my underarm? What does it do to my problems? Does it really improve anything? Whatever concerns that I had before, is it really working? So, ready na ba kayo? This is going to be our revelation day. Before anything else, we're gonna see what's the condition of the two products right now. So for the Rhimarose, you see it's really worn out right now. I don't know if the camera would focus on it. See, look at that. It's really worn out right now, right? It's fading because, you know, when you go in a shower, right? Of course. And look at this one here. Oh, it's so hard to focus, guys. 1/2 of the product in here for over 2 months. Almost 2 months. And then for the JD Whitening Tawas, this is what it looks like right now. Packaging, yeah, so I'm not really fond of their packaging. It's not very professional looking. I hope they will listen to me. It's not really sealed, I mean completely. You see there's the air, or I would say it's not sealed tight or airtight. It's not. Even when I opened this in the beginning, it was funny. There's like a tape here and it's hard to, but I guess with cost cutting maybe. But I would say please make a better, or find a better container, because this one doesn't really work on me. And the content right now, so see, I try to use it on the side, but the more I use it, it all comes down in the middle. So this is what it looks like right now. It's hard, right? Let's see here. See, that's what it looks like right now. The camera will not focus, but yeah, this is what it looks like. Let's do our Tengadeng! Tagadagada! Ready na ba kayo? Ready na ba? Ano na ba? Pumuti na ba ang kilikili ko? May nag-improve na ba to? Ano, may nagbagi na ba? So this side will be Rhimarose, and this side it's going to be JD. Okay guys, wala tayong magawa, diba? Nag-bra lang ako. When I started it, this is more lighter or more brownish compared to my left arm. So my left arm is really dark. Not really dark, but for me it's really dark, right? And I have some scars because of shaving, guys. because I have been not doing very good with skincare for when I got here in Cebu. It was very, very bad with hotel staying, you know, with no permanent house, so it's a bit hard, and so my skincare is really, really off. So I wasn't really good at it for, I would say, for 2 months, and so it does have a toll on my armpit. I'm gonna reveal to you my look. Please. Disclaimer lang sa mga kumakain dyan. Huwag kayong kumain. Okay, let's go. There you go. Okay, guys. See, ano pa siya, 'di ba? Pumuti yung talaga yung ano niya, gilid. Pero yung middle niya, hindi pa siya pumuti. Talaga. May ano pa talaga siya, may dark spots pa rin siya. Hindi pa siya talagang sobrang yung sobrang maputi. Hindi kagaya nito, 'di ba? I have very lighter skin. Tapos yung middle niya, hindi siya talaga pumuti. O, 'di ba? Pero yung sweating problems ko nawala. Tsaka wala din akong bad odor. Even if I don't use it every day, the most na magsisweat ako is the 4th day na I will not gonna use it. So, even though hindi siya pumuti, but if you just wanna use this product as a deodorant, it will be good, guys. And then, it only cost 175 pesos, or was it 200? I will put again the price on the description below on how much was it really, because matanda na yung lola nyo. But anyway, yeah, if you wanna order, let me know. I'm gonna order it for you guys if you wanna try it out. Yeah, subukan natin, diba? Mga Pilipinong produkto, suportahan natin pag mabisa. Okay, so ayan, yan na siya. Okay, yan na ang ating ilok. Yan na ang ating kondisyon ng underarm. Sorry guys ha, meron akong ano dito. Kasi yan lang talaga ang wala talaga akong filming area ngayon. But, pasensya na. Right arm with using Rhimarose. Okay, ano na, JD? Ano na, JD? Ikaw na ba ang nagugi? Nagugi ka na ba? Sige, let's find out. Okay, there you go guys. Jeng-yaneng! O, diba? Ang puti-puti niya. Hindi talaga siya maputi, guys. Pero, nag-grayish na yung, nag-grayish na yung dark spots na before. And, I have, like a scars here. Nagwala ng konti. Pero, I'm gonna use a different product for the scars. Kasi nga, ang lola nyo, nawala sa isip, diba? Kaya, nasugatan yung underarm ko sa pag-shave. So, ayan. Pero, JD helps. JD, ikaw nagwagi. Oh, guys, diba? Pumuti talaga siya. Pumuti. Hindi talaga sobrang puti, guys, ha? Na puting-puti na wala talaga. Meron siyang grayish ngayon. Pero, hindi na siya yung talagang super dark. Okay? And, wala siyang amoy. And, yung sweating problems ko, wala na rin. So, maganda siya. And, yan. So, yan. Sige, tingin na kayo. Tingin. Yan na siya. Yan na siya. Oh, diba? Okay, compare natin dalawa sabay-sabay. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Ting! See? Anong sa tingin nyo? Diba? Maputi ang JD compare sa Rhimarose. So, anong pipiliin nyo? Anong pipiliin nyo? If you wanna order for the JD Whitening Tawas, guys, let me know. You can order it for me. I will let you know. And ano na tayo ha, per order. Kasi nga, hindi pa tayo reseller ngayon. So, kung ano lang yung makaya ko, okay? So, if you're interested to order, let me know. And, well, we're gonna help you on that. mag-comparison na ako kung bakit maganda si JD. Kasi nandito si JD. Kung bakit si JD maganda compare dito sa Rhimarose. Okay? First, packaging. Of course, I like Rhimarose. Kasi nga, ano siya, sealed tight, airtight. Maganda yung packaging niya. They really spent a lot on their packaging. And their labels are very, very, very professional yung pagkagawa ng, nila, content and labeling nila. Maganda ang pagka-market ng kanilang product. So, I like it. Well, compared to JD naman, siya moms and pops store. Kaya, ganito lang. Very homemade siya. Yung sa bahay mo lang print, yung mga ganyan, no? Hindi talaga siya manufactured labeling. Tapos, walang ingredients na nakatatak dito sa likod, which many people would do if you have allergy problems. Kaya, I tried to contact one of their resellers, to give me an info or input on their ingredients, but they cannot provide. So, parang secret lang to. Okay, wala tayong magagawa. Yan talaga yung, nila, moms and pops lang kasi. And, yan. And their packaging, hindi ko talaga siya bet. I don't really like it. Very, siya, mabibili mo lang to sa gilid-gilid, ganyan ba, na packaging. Sana they have to choose a better packaging, airtight, sealed. Kasi naman, yung product talaga mabisa, no? And the scent of this one, maganda siya, guys. Sorry kasi I'm sick. Very mild yung scent niya, very, siya, scented, flowery. Basta mabango siya na hindi masakit sa nose mo or sa if you have really problem with your senses, wala kang dito kasi ako very sensitive ako sa smell, but ito it's really good, wala kang problema. Ang lang dito, the very first time I used it, hindi ako nag-use ng water, direct lang siya. So, I just scraped the product, tapos nilagay ko siya sa kilikili. Hindi siya effective ng ganun. What you can do is, either you wet your hands with water, and then you damp it here, or you just try to put your fingers here, rub it together here in the container, and the granules will gonna leave on your fingertips, and then you can just rub it on your underarms. And it's easy and not very messy kasi compared before, messy kasi nagsiscrape ako and then I took a lot of products on these containers, so which I should have not, because you can only use very little on this because it's very effective. Because I tried it somewhat more. I tried to use a little bit more, and then I tried to minimize a little bit, and then I try a very minimal thing, and then with the minimal thing that I can get to it, it even work. So might as well just use a little bit tiny product. So this container can last you, for me I think I can last it for 5 months kasi konti lang talaga nilalagay ko sa underarms ko. Ang JD naman, siya, compare naman dito sa sa granule, mas malaki ng konti sa JD. Mas malaki siya. Pero ang I don't like about this product is yung smell niya. The more na nag-last siya, I mean for going almost 2 months now, yung scent niya para na siyang nagiging mantika, oily oil, bad oil, or if you try to cook something and then you try to reuse that oil over and over and over, ito ang nasa smell ko sa kanya. So no, not really. I'm not really liking it. Yun ang nakaka-turn off sa kanya. Though mas mamura siya compare sa JD Whitening Tawas, para sa akin, kahit na even though yung packaging niya mas mahal ito, Tapos, hindi ko rin alam kung ano talaga ang content ng, or ingredients ng product na ito. Pero, para sa akin, nagwagi siya eh. Nagwagi. Not only it solves my sweating problems, it also whitens my underarms. So, wala akong masabi. Kaya, hindi ko pa rin to i-let go. Kasi nga, mabisa naman siya as a deodorant, right? So, okay. Okay na okay. Sa price, okay. 175, okay na okay yan. Walang, no, hindi ka talaga malugi. So, $3, diba? Deo na yan. Tapos, this one would last you longer than 6 months. Kasi konti lang talaga ang lalagay mo. So, if you wanna buy, tapos heavy user ka, 3 months maybe? 2 months, 3 months? Ako, hindi ako heavy user. So, this will gonna last me for a bit. And, yeah, JD Tawas! Hi! Kung sino may-ari, thank you so much for producing this product. It worked. This is all my video for today. I hope you enjoy and I hope you learned something out from this video. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. And also hit that notification bell, whatever. And I will see you again in my next one.